my baby got sick with oatmeal, she threw it up. So that would probably make her even better and better. So did she have to eat oatmeal?
She did. She did eat oatmeal this morning and watermelon this afternoon.
Well, that would probably make her sicker. So how about we just not eat that today until she feels better with oatmeal? She doesn't throw up, so let's start with that today because she can't have watermelon yet because she's kind of sick. So you might not feed her watermelon, but you may feed her not cantaloupe or watermelon. So
that's what we should do with her.
I know, but we have to go by herself. She has to go in the doctor room by herself.
Okay. I think she's brave enough. Are you brave enough to go in the doctor's room by yourself?
She gets on the chair.
Can you tell her not to be scared?
And we'll give you a shot. So don't be scared. I need to carry you.
She really doesn't want you to, though, Layla.
Can you carry her, please? She looks pretty this morning. You look pretty like Elsa.
You are the sweetest doctor I've ever met.
Can you move her onto that chair?
Can I move you over there?